Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege game crashing on Steam PC, or how to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing when game starts on Steam. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Now the first fix is to, if able to launch the game, then you can try using FXAA instead of TAA, or turn off anti-aliasing. So launch the game, and once you are on this menu screen, click on the settings, click on options, then go to the graphics tab, then scroll down and here you will see anti-aliasing option. Now if it is set to TAA, then click on this arrow icon and set it to FXAA, then hit on apply changes and then go back, launch the game and check. Now if using FXAA does not help to fix the issue, then you can turn off anti-aliasing. So simply go to the settings and then here just turn off the anti-aliasing, and after turning off the anti-aliasing, hit on apply and then go back, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to allow the RainbowSix.exe user profile / documents in protection history. So when you try to launch the Rainbow Six Siege game from Steam, and if you get this type of pop-up, unauthorized changes blocked, control folder access blocked RainbowSix.exe from making changes, click to see settings. So click on this pop-up message. It will then open the protection history. Click on this arrow icon and then click on yes to confirm. And here you can see app or process blocked RainbowSix.exe protected folder user profile / documents. So click on this action and then click on allow on device. Click yes to confirm and then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open the Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege folder. Now select this RainbowSix.exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this RainbowSix.exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this RainbowSix helper.exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now after adding all the 3 files, go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege folder. First select this RainbowSix.exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse. This time select this RainbowSix.exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse and this time select this RainbowSix helper.exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case all the 3 files has been added. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked for the Rainbow Six Siege file, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 4 is to delete the configuration file game settings. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer. On the left click on Documents. Then open the My Games folder. And here you will see Rainbow Six Siege folder. Open it. And here you will find the alphanumeric letter folder. Right click on it and then select. Now before deleting it, if you want to keep the backup, then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder, and then right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on RainbowSix.exe game, click on properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to run the game as admin or change the compatibility settings of the game. So open Steam, go to library, right click on RainbowSix.exe game, then click on manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now scroll down and here you will find the RainbowSix.exe file. Right click on it and then select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK, and then double click this RainbowSix.exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option. Hit on apply, OK, and then double click this RainbowSix.exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If still your problem not solved, then untick all these two boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7, update graphic card driver. Now NVIDIA user can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA user in Windows search type NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. On the left click on drivers and then click on check for updates. Here you can see check for updates icon, click on it. And if there are any updates available, then click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now AMD users can open the AMD Adrenal software, and if you find any updates available for your graphic card driver, then update it. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve RainbowSix game crashing or crashes a startup on PC, or RainbowSix crashing when game starts on Steam on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.